Hey everyone, welcome back to Life Dose. Today we're diving into a crucial topic, the hidden dangers of improper workouts. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned gym goer, understanding these risks is essential for staying healthy and injury-free. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about injuries. Improper workouts can lead to muscle strains and tears. Improper technique or overloading muscles can cause strains or tears. Joint damage, incorrect form, particularly in weightlifting, can put undue stress on joints, leading to conditions like tendinitis or bursitis. Spinal issues. Poor posture or incorrect form can lead to spinal injuries such as herniated discs or chronic back pain. To avoid these injuries, always focus on maintaining proper form. If you're unsure, consider working with a personal trainer. Next, we have overtraining. This can lead to chronic fatigue, increased risk of illness, and even mental burnout. Fatigue. Insufficient rest and recovery can lead to chronic fatigue, reducing overall performance. Increased risk of illness. Overtraining can weaken the immune system, making the body more susceptible to infections. Mental burnout. Constant physical stress without proper rest can lead to mental fatigue and decreased motivation. Remember, rest days are just as important as workout days. Your body needs time to recover and grow stronger. Have you ever felt like you're not making any progress? This is called plateauing, and it's often due to a lack of variation in your workouts. Stalled progress. Without proper variation and progression in workouts, progress can stall, making it difficult to achieve fitness goals. Loss of motivation. Hitting a plateau can be demotivating, leading to decreased commitment to the workout regimen. Mix up your routine with different exercises and ensure you're working all muscle groups evenly to avoid imbalances. Cardiovascular health is crucial, but improper workouts can lead to ineffective results. Muscle imbalance. Focusing too much on certain muscle groups while neglecting others can lead to imbalances, which can affect posture and increase injury risk. Functional limitations. Imbalanced development can result in functional limitations affecting everyday activities and athletic performance. Make sure your cardio workouts are intense enough to challenge your heart and lungs. Improper workouts can also impact your mental health, leading to stress, anxiety, and decreased self-esteem. Stress and anxiety. Inconsistent or ineffective workouts can lead to frustration, increasing stress and anxiety. Decreased self-esteem. Lack of progress or injuries can negatively impact self-esteem and body image. Stay positive and patient with your progress. Consistency and proper technique will get you there. Finally, improper workouts can waste your time and effort. Investing in a proper plan can make all the difference. Inefficiency. Poorly structured workouts can be inefficient, wasting time and effort without yielding significant results. Financial costs. Investing in gym memberships or equipment without proper knowledge can result in financial loss if the workouts are not effective. A well-structured workout plan will help you make the most of your time and resources. To avoid these disadvantages, it's essential to learn proper technique. Ensure proper form and technique through professional guidance or research. Plan workouts wisely. Incorporate a balanced mix of exercises and ensure progressive overload and variation. Listen to your body, pay attention to signs of overtraining, and allow adequate recovery time. Seek professional help. Consider working with a personal trainer or fitness professional, especially when starting a new workout regimen. Understanding and addressing these issues can help maximize the benefits of your workout and maintain long-term health and fitness. So there you have it, the hidden dangers of improper workouts. By focusing on proper form, balanced training, and giving your body the rest it needs, you can avoid these pitfalls and achieve your fitness goals safely. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends, and as always, don't forget to subscribe for more fitness tips and advice.